what do we mean by vocational education? Or maybe we could use the phrase vocational formation to start to gesture toward that bigger, more expansive vision. And then it occurred to me, actually, there's at least 6 things that have to be part of true vocational formation. And really, we only do 2 of them. The other ones we do either not at all or give very short shrift. The 2 we do, of course, are some kind of technical training and some of the basic knowledge and skills needed in that line of work, and credentialing, helping people prepare their CV and meet people and network and learn how to get a job in the field. And I don't deny that those 2 things are valuable, but I think they omit at least 4 things, and perhaps the most important things. The first of which is facing up to the great vocational question, what is a worthy form of work to which I'm suited? And of course, students, a lot of them are admitted right into a school and major, and they've made some sort of selection. But why do we rush that process? Why do we assume that 17-year-olds, without experience of a lot of different human practices and domains, and under shadow of parental pressure, that first major choice, why do we assume that is truly a vocational process of vocational discernment? Most of the time it isn't. So I say, let's take that part seriously and make undergraduate education truly about vocational discernment. And then just quickly, the other 3 would be some deep ethical reflection about what are the goods of the practice you're drawn to, and how do they relate to the other goods in society, so that you can be on guard against the corruption of your practice. I mean, don't you think journalists should be asking, like, is this journalism or is it just entertainment? We in academia should be asking, is this education or is it, I don't know, research and development? And shouldn't a teacher be asking of a certain school, am I a teacher or a warden? I mean, these kinds of critical questions, your practice can drift. So you need a kind of moral reflectiveness about what goods the practice serves and whether or not its current institutionalization helps with that. And then finally, as you follow the student out into vocational life, because of course, vocational formation continues beyond some just undergraduate preparation for it, we hope that our students continue to learn not only for their jobs, but through their work. How do we prepare people to think of their work as a vehicle for their own ongoing development? And finally, what if a form of work reveals itself as a kind of ethical or existential dead end? You're not growing, or it has drifted. Then are we helping students prepare to leave their work if and when the time comes?